Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a wide angle camera on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, what you have to do is open up the Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then search for Snapchat and just make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat application. If there is any update, just make sure to update because the ultra wide camera option is a new feature that Snapchat added to their app recently. Once you've done that, open up the Snapchat app. So now what you want to do next is tap on this exact icon at the top right hand side of the screen, and as you can see, it turned the ultra wide camera on. You can also tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the row options and then select ultra wide, which will turn on the ultra wide camera on Snapchat. So if you don't have this feature, then your device might not have an ultra wide lens built into the camera system, or this feature might not be yet be rolled out to your account. If that's the case, then you will just have to wait while you get this new feature. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.